Hello and welcome. This is Waleed from WasNet again, and today we have another specimen of a website that is coming from a very old school in terms of design and aesthetics. This is a staffing and outsourcing website, but it is actually missing the point over here. The keywords are actually out of place. The design is not actually matching up to the standards and expectations. If a visitor is over here, he would of course see quite a lot of text, and that will be a switch off if I go to about us, and then over here we see the colors are mismatching over the links when we hover over those. And if we come down to our services page, the color ranges again are mismatching, and this time it seems that attention to design and aesthetics has been long abandoned a very long time back. And if you look at in a LinkedIn, okay, they do have something on LinkedIn, but again, it's actually taking on the same tab, and we have lost the track of the website from here. So 50 employees are working over here, 4,000 followers are there, and nothing much posts. If you look at the business, the posts are again very minimal. Okay, so it means that they are not active. So anyways, we actually go back and see what they have. They don't have any Google Maps as well, that is missing. But if you're looking for very great design, then we have nicepage.com, where you can actually make one pager websites on your own without hiring a coder or a web developer. And of course, these one pagers can be very helpful when it comes to making recruitment websites. And if you look at this, we have another one pager design that we have. Okay, and let's go the demo preview again. One pager again, you can build it with their website builder software. The link for this website building software nicepage.com will be available in the description of this video. The other is, of course, you can have templates like these, designs like these, that will work for your recruitment and consulting, management consulting websites, and that of course brings an impact, and the audience will prefer to stay on your website for quite a long time. Okay, for a longer period of time, and that will retain you the target audience, whether it is the clients or people who are looking for jobs. Since this is a Dubai based company, many people will be coming to search for jobs. So if you have the keywords aligned, okay, and apart from that, the design that is aligned with your business principles, with the correct content as to how people can search for jobs in Dubai and in the Middle East, that will help them. Okay, that will keep them on your website for a longer period of time. You can add more of landing pages and pop-ups, of course. That Elementor themes coming from Template Monster, again the affiliate link will be provided to you in the description of this website. Just click those and we'll get the commission, and you'll get a very handsome template for yourself, and that is only for 69 $49 $69. I mean, these websites are easy to handle and get it developed from a WordPress developer. So a recruitment website for consultant companies, okay, that of course can actually help you to have an elevated business projection of yours. Okay, and if you look into consulting, we can have more designs for your recruitment and business consulting website. This is how your recruitment website can also look like. It is very simple, minimalistic, flowing in just one pattern. That pattern can be replicated and built upon with new designs and your ideas, and that's how you can offer your business services. This is also good for consulting businesses, and this is where you can publish your blogs and news that will keep the audience looking for new jobs, new consulting opportunities, and new projects, and that's how your business can actually look like. So if you really need more ideas, subscribe to our channel. I hope you like the idea. We'll come back with more business templates, business designs, website designs. Hope you like this video. If you like it, do like and subscribe and share this video with businesses that are lacking in design aesthetics. Have a great day. We'll meet again. Bye bye.